Hello students, today our topic is a binary subtraction using ones complement. Previous class we have already discussed about binary subtraction using borrowing method. Now we are using complement method. In that we have two types, ones complement method and twos complement method. So first one is a subtraction using ones complement. Here we have to follow these four rules. First one is a determine ones complement of subtrahend, add it to minuend. If final carry is there while doing the addition, if final carry is there, add it to LSB. If there is no carry, again take the complement of the result and that answer should be, and that answer is in the form of negative. We'll take one example, 1001 base 2 minus 0011 base 2. Here 1001 is the binary number. So in decimal form this value is 9. 0011 decimal value is 3. Answer is in decimal, that is 9 minus 3, 6. Step 1. Determine one's complement of subtrahend. So here let it be, this is as A and B. So this is in the form of A minus B. Here B called as subtrahend, A called as minuend. First binary form call it as minuend and second binary number called as subtrahend. So here determine one's complement of subtrahend. So what is a subtrahend here? 0011. Okay, this is the subtrahend. So determine one's complement of subtrahend. So we need to take one's complement to this number. Okay, you know already how to take one's complement. Change the zeros as ones as the zeros, right? Okay, so 1 1 0 0. So first step completed, and then go to second step, add it to minuend. So whatever answer is there, that answer should be adding to minuend. Here minuend is a 1001. Add it to minuend. What type of addition here we have to do? Binary addition. You know already binary addition we discussed in previous videos. Okay, right. 0 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, final carry 1. Okay, second point, second step completed. Next, third step. If a final carry is there, add it to LSB, right? So here, if we got final carry, then add it to LSB, right? Okay. 1 plus 1, again do the same binary addition. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0. Right? So answer is 0110. What is decimal form of 0110? Obviously it is 6. So 9 minus 3, that is 6. We'll take one more example. 0101 base 2 minus 1000 base 2. So 0101 binary decimal value is 5. 1000 decimal value is 8. So we got the answer in negative. 5 minus 8 means we got the answer is in negative, that is minus 3. Okay, this is our decimal subtraction. Okay, here we have to do binary subtraction using ones complement method, and again we should get the same answer minus 3 as minus 3. Let's see. So first point, we have to follow these 4 steps. Step 1, what is that? Determine ones complement of subtrahend. So here this is the subtrahend. Simply we have to take that subtrahend value number 1000. Okay, we'll do ones complement for this number, right? You know already ones complement. Change ones as zeros, zeros as ones. So 1 as 0, 0 as 1, 0 as 1, 0 as 1. So first step completed. Then go to second step. Add it to minuend. Add it to minuend. Whatever answer is there, simply this answer should be adding to minuend. So here minuend is a 0, 1, 0, 1. So we have to do the addition. What kind of addition? Binary addition. Right. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. While doing this binary addition, we did not get any carry, right? If there is no carry, then you have to follow this fourth step now. If there is no carry, again take the ones complement of result. Okay, if you did not get the carry, then again do the complement of the answer. Okay, what type of complement? What type of complement is this? Ones complement only, right? So do ones complement again for this answer. Ones complement. Okay, ones complement means 1 as 0, 1 as 0, 1, 1. Right? So 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the answer. If there is no carry, again do the complement of result. Right? Again do the ones complement of result. That is 0, 0, 1, 1. Now this answer is in negative form. So 0, 0, 1, 1 means 3. So it should be in negative form. Minus 3. Is it matching with our decimal answer? Yes. Thank you.